All right, so the newest addition to my collection, I placed an order for the Busse A2 25th anniversary Team Gemini. Unbeknownst to me, I thought it was a Team Gemini Light Brigade, but it was the full weight Team Gemini. But once I realized that, I think, okay, I'm putting this motherfucker up for sale. It's too heavy to carry. Because I had seen the G10 model was weighing at 22 ounces. But once I got this in hand, and this is the canvas micarta version, I realized, no, it's the weight distribution is just right. So I decided to keep it. So there it is in all its stripped, bead-blasted glory. And there's my orange cat. Gotta love Bill Wilson. Little boy. Listen to this purr ball. Have you ever fucking heard a happier cat? This cat is enthusiastic about everything. Whatever it is I'm doing, he wants to be a part of it. I go to one end of the house, he goes with me. He's trans. He identifies as a dog. Yes. Good boy. Okay, so, yeah, this is A2 tool steel. This is a very limited run of the Team Gemini. Full thickness tang. Shallower, fuller. Not hollow ground. Etc., etc. This is the tan canvas micarta. I originally had a sage coating. That's what I specified because you can't specify no coating. So it took almost an hour to bead blast this coating off, and that is running silicon carbide 80 grit media in my barrel blaster. And I had to bump the pressure up to 120 psi damn near. And yeah, it still took a long time, but I did it. Then I gave it a slight convexing using a Trizac gator skin belt in between idler pulleys. So I gave it, on the slack belt, and then finished it off with a leather polishing strop, a belt with green oxide compound, green chrome. Yeah. Jeweler's polish. Okay, so specs on this are 7.5 inches, just a cunt hair over actually, but 7.5 inch sharpened length. To the tip of scales, we've got practically 8 inches. Let's see here. Yeah, 7 and 7/8. Total length on this is, if I recall correctly on the manufacturer specs, 13 and 5/8. Yes, point of balance is right at the tip of the scale / guard area. Yes, this cat really loves everything. Listen to how happy he is. He's a happy fucking cat. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys the amount of material behind the edge. And this actually, one of the main factors in me keeping this was the weight distribution. Because I believe it is 19 or 20 ounces. The G10 model is 2 ounces heavier. But the weight is really distributed well on this piece. Also, the thickness behind the edge, the edge geometry in itself, and I can't get this thing, there it focuses. Yeah, the edge geometry actually is decent on this. So I don't think I'll be sending this for a razor edge regrind. It's pretty much perfect as is. This will shave hair. It's a great overall knife. And what I like about this particular run is it is an A2 tool steel, and that's one of my favorite steels to work with as a maker myself. It's a very tough steel. And Busse originally started with A2, so it's a little bit of history. These are very rare, and I totally thrashed it, and I don't give a shit because this thing is meant to be used. So there it is. Also, once I received it, I immediately got to turn my oven to 400 and getting some Kydex ready, and I built me a CM carry rig for this knife. So there that is. Yep, pretty bitchin'. All right, so I made this video because people are asking me to put this up online. So here it is by request. All right. As always, stay armed, stay alert, stay alive. Hua. God bless. Later. Yeah, it's pretty bitchin'.